Halo semuanya, selamat datang kembali di channel ini. Kali ini kita akan tes bermain game Devil May Cry 1 menggunakan PS4 di TV tabung. Ini adalah game PS2 tapi versi PS4 nya teman-teman ya, yang gambarnya sudah HD.
Two millenniums ago, there was a war between the human world and the other, the underworld. But somebody from the underworld woke up to justice and stood up against this legion alone. His name was Sparta. Later, he quietly reigned the human world and continued to preserve harmony until his death. He became a legend, the legendary Dark Knight, Sparta.
Gambarnya gelap kalau di TV tabung, padahal di TV layar datar gambarnya terang bagus.
Devil May Cry. Sorry, we closed at 9. Again, no password. I can't seem to get any real business. Whoa, slow down, babe. Well, what do we have here? Nature calls? It's in the back.
So, you must be the handyman who'll take any dirty job. Am I correct?
Almost. I only take special jobs, if you know what I mean.
You're the man who lost a mother and a brother to evil 20 years ago. The son of the legendary Dark Knight Sparta, Mr. Dante.
Well, the way I figure it, in this business a lot of your kind comes around. And if I kill each one that comes, eventually I should hit the jackpot sooner or later.
In that case, you should be used to this sort of thing.
Are you really the son of the legendary Dark Knight Sparta? Didn't your daddy teach you how to use a sword?
The sword. Time to go to work, guys. Even as a child, I had powers. There's demonic blood in me.
What strength?
You were the first one to know about my vengeance. Looks like I'm getting closer.
It seems that way, but I'm not your enemy. My name is Trish. I came here to seek your help, to put an end to the underworld.
What?
Emaknya si Dante.
20 years ago, Mundus, the Emperor of the Underworld, resurrected.
Mundus?
Yes. His powers were sealed by Sparta. He's attempting to gain control of the human world once again. He has been preparing to open the gate on Malay Island. The castle is above this cliff. Come on, let's go! Ha!
Oke teman-teman, jadi inilah Devil May Cry 1 jika dimainkan di PS4 menggunakan TV tabung. Harusnya gak cocok, tapi ini menggunakan konverter, jadi bisa teman-teman ya. Kalau menggunakan konverter nggak perlu setting itu ini, langsung bisa aja main. Gambarannya menyesuaikan TV tabung. Nah, di sini nih. Terus item rahasia yang kedua ada di sini nih. Nah, di sini. Red orb-nya banyak, langsung dapat. Wah, langsung dapat banyak. Kita butuh 45 red orb. Nah, kan. Kalau trik yang tadi udah tahu dari awal, bisa langsung pergi, guys. Oke teman-teman, mungkin untuk tes game dari game Devil May Cry 1 cukup sampai di sini teman-teman ya. Devil May Cry 1 versi PS4 di TV tabung. Terima kasih bagi kalian yang sudah menonton, gamenya berjalan lancar. Kita save dulu. Oke teman-teman, see you in the next video.